guys, welcome back. So I've had the pleasure of living with this MacBook Neo for over 8 months now, and I can't believe how much time has passed already. And I've had it since day one, and I really love this MacBook Neo. She is called Indigo throughout my videos, and over that time I have put a list of my favorite features, and I have come up with 8 features. So throughout this video I'm going to talk about 8 things that I love about Indigo, starting with favorite feature number 1. Let's break it down. First feature, the A18 Pro chip. This is what gives the MacBook Neo its power and helps it handle everyday tasks smoothly. Whether you're browsing the web, streaming, working on documents, using programs like Final Cut Pro, it works great on here. Playing games, watching live TV, or even jumping from different apps. The A18 Pro is built to keep everything moving, and for a compact MacBook like this, that's definitely a feature worth talking about. Favorite feature number 2, the 13-inch liquid retina display. You get a sharp 2408 by 1506 resolution, up to 500 nits of brightness, and support for 1 billion colors. And I really like the size here. It's big enough to comfortably get work done, but still compact enough to easily take with you. Whether you're watching videos, editing photos, or just scrolling through the web, everything looks crisp and vibrant. Favorite feature number 3, you get up to 16 hours of battery life. The MacBook Neo offers up to 16 hours of battery life. That's a lot of time to work, watch videos, browse the internet, or just use your MacBook throughout the day without constantly searching for an outlet. And for someone who's always moving around like me, that extra freedom is definitely a plus. Favorite feature number 4, the 1080p FaceTime HD camera. Whether you're jumping on a Zoom meeting, FaceTiming family, or having a quick video chat, having a quality built-in camera is very important. Favorite feature number 5, the Magic Keyboard. The keyboard keeps that clean, familiar Apple design while giving you a comfortable typing experience. Whether you're answering emails, typing an essay, typing up your next YouTube script, it feels smooth and responsive. Favorite feature number 6, the large multi-touch trackpad. And this is one of those features you might not think too much about until you actually use it. Scrolling, clicking, swiping between apps, and navigating around macOS all feel really natural. Plus, you don't necessarily need to carry a mouse everywhere you go. Favorite feature number 7, the Indigo aluminum finish. Okay, so we got to my favorite part, my absolute favorite part, the color. Because let's be honest, this color is gorgeous. You don't really see this color a lot on laptops. The Indigo gives the MacBook Neo a little personality and makes it stand out from the usual silver and neutral colored laptops. And I don't know about you, but if I'm putting a laptop on my shelf, I want it to look good, and this color right here looks really good. And finally, favorite feature number 8, the smooth premium feel. From the aluminum exterior to the sleek design, the MacBook Neo feels really nice in your hands. It's clean, modern, and has that premium Apple feel every time you pick it up. So there you have it. Those are my 8 top favorite features of the MacBook Neo in Indigo. I love the A18 Pro chip, the 13-inch liquid retina display. It has up to 16 hours of battery life, 1080p FaceTime HD camera, the Magic Keyboard, the large multi-touch trackpad, the Indigo aluminum finish, and finally the smooth premium feel. So, which one is your favorite? Let me know down in the comments. That has been a look at the favorite features of the MacBook Neo in Indigo. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful. Take care. I'll see you guys in the next one, and thanks for watching. Bye.